Welcome to this video. My name is Hannes and today I want to show you a little guitar arrangement for the all-time Christmas classic Last Christmas. And this is not for the bloody beginner, I would say, more for the more intermediate advanced player, but give it a try. Maybe you master the first chord or something like this if you're a beginner and this is already fun for you. But before we start out, check out in the video description my free lessons for beginners. Tons of cool stuff you should discover. It's totally free, no strings attached. You get a lot of cool information and cool lessons directly to your email. And let's start out with Last Christmas. So our first chord is a D sus2 here. Actually, if you want to play along to the original recording, you need to capo the first fret, capo in the first fret, but I like to play it without the capo so everybody can join us here. Because the original tune is in E flat major, we're doing it in D major. So, first thing we need to understand here, what I do in my arrangement is play with the thumb the lowest note of the very chord we're playing throughout 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 8 notes, all the time. And you should use the other finger. Each finger has a string which it is working with. The index finger uses the G string, the middle finger the B string, and the ring finger the high E string, okay? So when I say play the thumb throughout and the melody up here on the E string gets played with the ring finger. And the next melody note is on the B string and the middle finger plucks this string. So it's 2 times the high E string, the open E string, plucked with the ring finger, and then 1 time the B string, where the ring finger here is waiting. While the thumb is plucking the open D string all the time. And then there comes the index finger plucking the G string. Last Christmas, and then we have 2 times open D and E string with thumb and ring finger, then middle finger 2nd fret E string, and then open D string with the thumb, and the middle finger plucks the B string. So from the top, 3, 4. And then 2 times D and G string. Again 2 times open D and E string. Put down middle finger on the 2nd fret of the E string. And then the B string comes into play again from the top. Again, D and B string. And then we have our first or we change to a B minor 7, index finger, 2nd fret A string, middle finger, 2nd fret G string, ring finger to the 2nd fret of the B string. And I pluck all 3 strings at once, the A string with the thumb, the index finger plugs the G string, and the middle finger the B string. So it's 2nd fret, 2nd fret, 2nd fret, then the ring finger goes to the 3rd fret on the B string, back to the 2nd fret, and open string. And thumb walks through. Okay. From the top. Even slower. Going to E minor 9, or E minor added 9. I like it to play it like this. Middle finger or index finger, 2nd fret D string, and ring finger goes to the 2nd fret of the high E string. And I like to play 4 strings at once. Thumb plays the D string, index the G, middle the B, and ring finger the E string. Practice this first. See how my ring finger lifts up. Okay, so it's then D and B string at once. And we have a little movement here where I again plug with thumb at all 3 fingers. Sounds nice and full. 2nd fret E string, middle finger stays here all the time, 2nd fret on the D string, ring finger 2nd fret E string, pinky goes down, 3rd fret E string, up again, and open E string. Whole part. Really slow. And then we have 3rd fret B string while I pluck the D string, and then we go to A7, index finger 2nd fret D string, middle finger 2nd fret B string, thumb plucks the A string, index, middle and ring finger stay on the D, G and B string. and then we play. So 4 strings, ring finger on the 3rd fret, also all 4 strings, back to the 2nd fret, one time alone the thumb, again all 4 strings together with the ring finger on the 3rd fret again, again one time alone the thumb, back to A7, all 4 strings, and then middle finger going to the 2nd fret of the G string, index finger still on the 2nd fret of the D string, and then we just plug A, D and G string. Open A string with the thumb. Even slower. From the top, it's yeah, Last Christmas in a little bit different version. I hope you had fun with this video. Let me know what you think of it. Write it in the comments below. And also check out below this video in the video description my free lessons for beginners. If this was a little bit too much for you, no problem. You will be helped over there. It's totally free, no strings attached. You don't have to put in any email or whatever. Just grab your free lessons, your free ebook, and have fun with this. We see us in the next video, don't we? Bye-bye.